We have a great basement here for you guys, so stay tuned. This one has a gym, a nice billiards area, we have a wet bar, we have an open concept. Of course, we have the mudroom bench there, walkout, and love this family room. So check this out. Did the butcher block, have the 4 stools in the back, then we have the theater seating in the front. And love these windows on each side. Great for natural light. Very open basement. You have the trim. And we actually had ductwork in the middle, so we moved it to the side, giving us nice 8-foot ceilings. Well, what do you think? Love this little family room setup. Now we have the billiards area. So there's a hidden door under the stairs. And can use that for storage, whatever it may be. And you got all the pool equipment there. So over here, we did a nice wet bar. Same thing with the butcher block. And I love the backsplash. Mini fridge, microwave. Have another TV there. And look what we did with the columns. So put your drinks here. Really neat. And this mudroom bench, same thing, got the butcher block down there. Turned out great. So we already had this walkout, which was perfect. And yeah, just a nice wide open basement. Now we have a gym. More for CrossFit. Sauna. Hung another TV. And then all the weights, bench right there. Just releases. Really nice. So I'm gonna take you out. I love this wall. Get the vinyl records on it. How cool is that? Got some Tom Petty, Coldplay, Bon Jovi, Kenny Rogers. But really cool because we open up the steps on this side, and as soon as you come in, you can look over to the bar area, and then you see this vinyl wall. So really neat. Then we have a full bath. And we did some shelving up there. Love the tile in here as well. Come out. There's the bar again. But overall, love this basement. Love how it came out. Thanks for watching.